Most car engines don't suffer a sudden failure. They are systematically weakened by small acts of driver neglect. The incredible news? This is entirely avoidable. Dedicating just 10 minutes a month can prevent catastrophic breakdowns, save you from repair bills soaring past $5,000, and ensure you won't be prematurely shopping for a replacement vehicle. Master these simple steps, and your engine could easily outlive the rest of your car. Stay tuned for the ultimate game-changing tip, the secret to transforming a 150,000-mile car into a 500,000-mile powerhouse. Let's get started. 15. Engage the parking brake. Always. This is a universally ignored habit, yet it's one of the easiest ways to safeguard your car's longevity. Make it a rule to use the parking brake even on level ground. When you engage park in your transmission, a tiny metal component called the parking pawl is solely responsible for restraining your vehicle's entire weight. On an incline, it takes a massive amount of stress. Over time, even flat ground parking causes strain. If this small pin fails, you're facing a transmission overhaul that could cost you $1,000 to $3,000. Protect your gearbox and wallet. Engage the parking brake every time. Small effort, massive protection. 14. Select the correct fuel octane. Your engine is engineered for a specific fuel grade. If the manufacturer specifies premium, it means the engine's timing, compression ratio, and internal sensors are calibrated precisely for that octane. Skimping with a cheaper, lower-grade fuel is not a saving, it's an investment in future damage. You risk engine knocking, diminished power, and accelerated long-term wear. That minimal saving at the pump can easily lead to $2,000 plus in repairs later. Think of it this way, would you deliberately use substandard oil? Give your engine the fuel it was designed for, and you'll be rewarded with consistent power and lasting reliability. 13. Service the PCV valve. The positive crankcase ventilation valve is perhaps the most neglected component under the hood. It manages internal engine pressure and prevents harmful sludge from forming. When this valve clogs, pressure builds up, leading to failed seals, oil leaks, telltale blue exhaust smoke, and sludge that actively chokes your engine's life. A new PCV valve is often cheaper than a fast food meal. Ignoring it can result in engine damage costing thousands. 12. Prioritize longer driving cycles. Short trips are silent engine assassins. The engine oil never reaches its optimal operating temperature, meaning it cannot properly vaporize and expel moisture and unburned fuel residue. The result is the formation of sludge and corrosive acids that slowly suffocate your engine's internals. Years of this will leave your car feeling sluggish and consuming excessive oil. The remedy is almost too simple. Ensure you take your car for a substantial drive, 20 to 30 minutes on the highway at least once per week. This ensures the oil is thoroughly cleaned, the battery remains healthy, and your engine performs optimally. 11. Never drive on low fuel. While it feels like you're maximizing efficiency, routinely letting your fuel tank run near empty is a major risk. Over the years, dirt, debris, and sediment naturally accumulate at the bottom of the fuel tank. When the fuel level is critically low, the fuel pump is forced to ingest this damaging residue. This leads to clogged filters, dirty injectors, and an overworked fuel pump. Replacing a fuel pump alone can cost $600 to $1,200, potentially taking the injectors with it. The smarter choice? Refuel when the tank hits 1/4 full. This protects your pump, preserves your injectors, and guarantees consistent performance. 10. The 5-minute monthly ritual. Engines are ruined not by age, but by simple neglect. The simplest offense is a quick monthly ritual taking less than 5 minutes, a visual inspection of the engine bay. Don't dismiss its simplicity. The American Automobile Association, AAA, estimates that over 80% of all roadside breakdowns are preventable through basic monthly checks like this. Something as simple as a loose battery terminal can turn into a $200 towing bill. Open your hood regularly. This habit is the foundation of long-term engine health. 9. The fluids rule. Engine survival hinges on its essential fluids: oil, coolant, transmission fluid, and brake fluid. These are the lifeblood, oxygen, and water of your vehicle. Neglect them and the engine slowly starves. Maintain them and your car could effortlessly cross the 500,000-mile mark. The most critical is engine oil. Following your maintenance schedule keeps the engine clean and lubricated. Delaying it invites sludge, costing you thousands, as one nurse recently found out when her overdue oil change resulted in a $4,200 engine repair. Integrate this with your monthly ritual. Check the dipstick for oil color and level. A simple visual check of all fluid reservoirs can prevent the 65% of overheating incidents caused by low coolant.
8. Inspect the air filter. Your air filter functions as your engine's lungs. With every mile driven, vast amounts of air are drawn in, and the filter traps dust, dirt, and road grime before it reaches the cylinders. A clean filter allows for optimal airflow. A clogged one makes the engine labor just to breathe, resulting in lower power, reduced fuel economy, and undue stress on vital components. A friend's 3-year-old never-changed air filter was so saturated with dirt it restricted airflow, throwing the fuel-to-air ratio off balance. This causes incomplete combustion, leading to carbon buildup and long-term damage to components like the catalytic converter. This $20 filter can prevent over $2,000 in repairs.
7. Examine belts and hoses. Belts and hoses are the often overlooked network of support for your engine. They are constantly under stress. The serpentine belt drives the alternator, power steering, and water pump. A small crack can quickly lead to being stranded. Hoses transport vital fluids under pressure. A burst can cause instantaneous overheating and engine shutdown. A delivery driver who ignored a minor crack in his serpentine belt saw the simple $45 repair turn into a $1,200 towing and garage bill. A failed radiator hose can warp a cylinder head or blow a head gasket in under a minute. A 2-minute visual inspection once a month is all it takes to spot the telltale signs of wear, cracks, bulges, softening, and prevent a catastrophic failure.
6. Check battery terminals. A seemingly minor issue like a weak terminal connection can stress your entire electrical system. Corroded or loose battery terminals force your alternator and starter motor to work harder, draining power and indirectly stressing the engine. The National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence states that 73% of battery-related failures are actually connection problems, not dead batteries. Check monthly. If you see a whitish-green buildup, clean it with a simple wire brush or a baking soda and water solution. Ensure all clamps are securely fastened. A clean, tight connection guarantees a healthy flow of power and longevity for your electrical components.
5. Monitor tire pressure. Tires might seem unrelated to engine health, but they are intrinsically linked. Incorrect tire pressure forces your engine to work harder with every revolution. Driving on underinflated tires is like cycling with flat tires. You burn more energy and achieve less speed. A drop from 35 psi to 28 psi can decrease your gas mileage by almost 4 mpg, costing you hundreds annually in extra fuel. Furthermore, underinflated tires generate excessive heat, increasing the risk of a dangerous blowout at high speeds. Check your tire pressure weekly. It's a fundamental safety and economy habit that also reduces the load on your engine.
4. Listen for unusual sounds. Your car communicates through sound. Strange noises are your engine's distress signals, and ignoring them is a recipe for disaster. One smart habit is to simply listen. A taxi driver's faint ticking noise turned out to be worn valve lifters. A $400 repair saved him from a potential $6,000 engine replacement within weeks. Knocking sounds, a sharp metallic rattle under acceleration, usually indicate improper fuel combustion due to carbon buildup or bad timing. Left untreated, this severely damages pistons and bearings. Once a month, turn off all distractions and listen carefully while accelerating, braking, and idling. An early detection is always a cheap fix. 3. Look under the car. The simplest yet most ignored habit: periodically check the ground beneath your car. Fluid leaks are the engine's way of bleeding. Oil spots could signal a bad seal or gasket.
leading to dangerously low oil levels and engine seizure. Coolant puddles, often green, pink, or orange, indicate a leak in the radiator, hose, or water pump. Without coolant, the engine will overheat in minutes, warping metal parts. Consumer Reports data suggests that over 60% of major engine repairs could have been prevented by catching these leaks early. Park on a clean spot or place cardboard underneath overnight to easily spot drips.
2. Check transmission fluid if applicable. Most drivers focus exclusively on engine oil, but transmission fluid is equally vital. It lubricates, cools, and ensures smooth shifting. Neglecting it is one of the costliest errors. Old, burnt fluid causes the transmission to slip, generating excessive heat, the #1 killer of transmissions. This often leads to a rebuild or replacement costing thousands. If your car has a transmission dipstick, check it monthly with the engine warmed up and running. Healthy fluid should be bright red or pink. Dark brown or burnt-smelling fluid is an urgent call for service. Maintaining this fluid means smoother shifts, less engine stress, and substantial long-term savings.
1. The quick idle and rev test. Your engine's breathing and movement reveal its health. A monthly idle and rev test is like a quick physical exam at home. With the car in park and the parking brake set, start the engine and listen to the idle. It should be a smooth, consistent hum. Sputtering, shaking, or uneven idling can point to issues like vacuum leaks or dirty injectors. Automotive technicians claim that 85% of drivability problems are detectable during this simple test. Gently rev the engine and listen for smooth response. This practice costs nothing, takes under 5 minutes, and allows you to catch issues like odd smells or smoke long before they become expensive catastrophes. Bonus tip: warm up smart, not long. This is a widespread car care myth, rooted in the old days of carburetor engines. Idling a modern, fuel-injected car for 10 to 15 minutes on a cold morning does more harm than good. Extended idling wastes fuel. One study found a neighbor wasted over $400 a year this way, and causes unnecessary engine wear. The smart way to warm up is simple. Start the engine, let it run for 30 seconds for the oil to circulate, then drive gently. Keep the RPMs low until the temperature gauge reaches normal operating temperature. The engine is designed to warm up best under a light load, not by sitting idle.